All right, sir.
Do you mind just opening the back right here?
Yeah,
so
no
I can see
problem.
any fish on board?
Yeah.
Wow, it's a beautiful day. So just pulled into Avila. It's 8:45, got a little bit later start, but that's cool. Looks like clear skies, real light wind, looks pretty calm. They say it's going to be like high 60s today, so this is the first time hitting the salt water with the kayak, so we'll see how she does. But man, gonna finish my coffee real quick, get stoked, can't wait to get out there. All right, see you guys in a bit. Well, here we are at Avila Beach, launching for the first time in salt water. So we'll see how we do. There we go. All right, let me get out of the harbor and I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Quite a bit of structure down there, so I think this will be a good spot. And I'll just kind of drift for a little bit. Work that bottom. Now, we're drifting across the mouth of, I guess you want to call it the cove for Avila Beach. Got a series of swim baits down. One's on a Carolina rig, about probably 3/4 of the way down. They got basically a high-low rig set up, running right across the bottom, 2 swim baits. It's 56 feet deep. The water temperature looks like it's 53. Not much on the graph. We'll get it figured out here. Still a beautiful day though. Alright, hopefully in a little bit we'll see some fish. If we do, you'll be the second to know. Picked up a little bit. 30 feet. Well, wind's picking up even more. So much for a light wind today. Well, it's gotten even windier. You don't need to go to a gym. Just go fishing. You probably don't need me to tell you that the wind is even stronger. This kelp, some good stuff right here. Oh yeah, we'll grab some more. Yeah, making seaweed salad tonight. All right, I'll see you guys when I get back to shore.
All right, sir.
Do you mind just opening the back right here?
Yeah,
Just,
no
so
problem.
you don't have any fish on board.
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah.
So you mentioned that you want those rockfish as well. You do know that the rockfish season is closed right now, right?
What's that?
You do know that the rockfish season is closed right now?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, because matter of fact, on the way here, I checked, well, Googled it
Okay.
about what was open, and it said everything was open. So.
Okay. It's open for shore fishing, anything boat-based, and that includes kayak.
Oh, okay.
You are allowed to fish for perch and halibut.
Okay.
But rockfish season is closed until April 1st.
Okay. Well, glad I was a failure.
Yeah. No kidding.
Yeah. What's the close time?
It is the end of the year until April 1st.
April 1st.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
All right. I appreciate it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. And that is why you always fish with a license. All right, let's load up.
Well, all my years fishing, it's the first time I've ever been contacted by Fish and Game and asked to see my license. After checking my fishing license, the Fish and Game warden then checked the hull of my kayak and my rear storage compartment just to make sure I didn't have any fish on board. So, lesson learned, guys, always have your fishing license with you and accessible. Yeah, that would have been a big find. I'm glad that I skunked out today because I had no idea that rockfish were not in season from the first of the year until April 1st. You can catch them off the shore, but you can't catch them on a boat or kayak offshore. Didn't know that. So, lesson learned, had a great day, beautiful day. Man, it was windy. I'll tell you what, the ocean is no joke, but I had a blast. So I just got to go back and reassess maybe some of the lures and some of the baits that I was using and kind of get stuff a little better prepared now that I kind of know what to expect. So, but you guys be safe, tight lines, make sure you always have your fishing license and always check to see what's in season or not, because I was surprised today. All right, peace out.